Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in a minute on this Wednesday, the 24th of September, and our next weather front is approaching. We had one move through last night. That has settled to our south as a stalling cold front. Now it's going to back up northward as a warm front, and then we've got another cold front coming through later Thursday and Thursday night. All thanks to low pressure that is running through the upper Ohio Valley and heading over Lake Erie and Lake Ontario, and it's going to be pushing a decent amount of rain, I think, and some thunderstorms that are going to be in the mix. We're seeing showers and storms on the radars this morning, going all the way back down into Arkansas. Pretty active radar, particularly when you look at what's going on up in Ohio and into Kentucky and Tennessee. Also, we're seeing some showers and storms down in Alabama and in Arkansas. The overnight frontal boundary is still producing some showers in southeastern New England and eastern Long Island as of 7:15 a.m. Eastern Time. We might catch a little bit of a break for a while today, but I expect to see some other showery rains to develop around upstate New York and parts of eastern Pennsylvania and New Jersey later on this afternoon. And then it'll get more numerous as we move in to the overnight. And on Thursday, of course, we're going to be dealing with some showers and storms. The Storm Prediction Center, by the way, still has us in an area of general thunderstorm activity today, although I tend to think it's probably going to be minimal. But tomorrow, SPC has got a marginal risk for isolated severe thunderstorms from central and southeast New England and going all the way south down the coast through the Carolinas and Georgia and into Alabama. And I think that makes a lot of sense. No tornado risk is being indicated, but I would not, by the way, be surprised if we wind up seeing a small area of slight risk in there. Now, I want to cover a couple of things really quick. First off, with respect to the general weather, we are going to see, again, showery rains and thunderstorms, particularly tonight and Thursday. And we could wind up with maybe an inch and a half or inch and a half of rain or more. That front goes by, and we should start to see some improving weather conditions later Friday into the weekend. Meanwhile, not one, but possibly two tropical storms or even two hurricanes. I'm not sure how this is going to play out off the southeast coast of the United States. We can see what the European is doing. Models are doing all sorts of things with this. But it is something that we're going to have to be watching closely over the weekend and into early next week because these things may actually hang around for a while.